The industries are visualizing greatest shift of operational activities to digitization. Hence to expect a smart factory installation of sensors, analytics modules, integration, data capture have become uncompromising. Let us check the benefits. System and machine downtime tracking. Improve efficiency by tracking machine downtime helps allocating cause real-time helps controlling operations. Production monitoring. The machine monitoring helps in automating most of the tasks like downtime detection, noise identification, data collection, gathering signals through sensors, collecting data and sending it to cloud. Comprehensive equipment management. Monitoring helps to ensure product quality with temperature control function. Preventive maintenance helps produce stable operations, ensure compliance with warranties and resolve issues impacting production. Moreover, with the use of equipment monitoring leads to installation of numerous sensors to assist in major function real-time data collection. Come and join hands with ARODEK to deploy the solutions. Contact at arodek.com.